Welcome back to Witness Richness. It's your man, JCP, and as always, I am super excited to be back in front of the camera. Just had a conversation with a friend of mine from the New Bedford area. You know who you are, and thank you for the conversation. I appreciate it because it gave me a spark on this video. So we were talking and we were game planning his next 5 moves, where he's at with his current resources, and he made a comment to me, and he said, because of this whole coronavirus thing, I may not want to get into any investments right now. And I said to him, like, I think we just had a huge mindset and paradigm shift, because for myself as an investor, you know, I'm not looking around at the coronavirus and saying, let me, you know, not make investments. My thought process is, this is the time that I'm going to become rich. My thought process is completely polar opposite from what, you know, the normal person would think right now. Let me not get into certain deals. Let me not make certain investments because of the coronavirus, and we don't know what's going to happen. When I'm over here licking my chops, liquidating assets, and trying to get myself in position to go shopping, right? To completely take advantage of the opportunities between businesses that can't stay afloat or mortgages that are falling through. And it sounds like very aggressive, I know. But listen, when the banks foreclose, they sell the properties. This is part of the food chain that is going to happen naturally, whether I like it or whether not. Whether I want to take advantage and buy these properties from the bank at a low price or not, either way, it's going to happen. So then you look at the history of our economy and the stocks. It's happened every 10, 12, 15 years for the last hundreds of years now. So now it's about when opportunities like the coronavirus come. And again, to anybody who lost family members or any type of, you know, used on the negative end of this coronavirus, then, you know, I feel for you. My heart and my condolences goes out to you. But in the economy, there's an opportunity now for investors with an investor mindset to completely take advantage and capitalize. So either way, this is all going to happen. You're either going to choose to get out there and ride the wave or watch the surface from the shore. But this is the time to jump in, ride the wave as an investor. And like Robert Kiyosaki said back in 2007, right? He became a millionaire during that recession. So we have a correction coming. Prepare yourself. Don't run from it. Be ready to jump in that water and ride that wave. So again, that was just a quick insight that I found with a fellow investor today that I want to share with you on having that paradigm shift between, you know, looking to cover your assets and being ready to leverage your assets. And as always, my brother, and as always, my sister, this is a wide open invitation. Let's grow together. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in next week's episode.